Let's have a good look at the New Zealand dollar. This is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So weekly, we've got our first decent bearish candle. I really like this. It's at 6,600, just resting there. So that's weekly. You know, it's saying it's going to have another little move to the upside, but we are at the weekly trend line as well. We bounced off that quite nicely. You can see that here where you've got 3 points of contact. So here's one, here's the other, and then there's three. So you've got one there, you've got another one here, and then you've got the third. 3 points of contact being rejected. You've also got your 200 weekly EMA providing resistance as well. So two forms of resistance. So you know if it breaks above 6,700, 6,730s, you know that that's good to go all the way to for another 300 point move up to 7,000 and higher. So you know at the moment you've got 1, 2, 3, 3 touches of the trend line. You've got your 200 weekly EMA. This is a weekly chart, just to be clear. And you've had a nice move up, and everything started to flatten out, and we're now starting to see the first bearish candle from last week. So I'm very much interested in shorting the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and I am looking for, if we look at it on the daily point of view, just to clear everything up, to keep it nice and clean, because there is a lot of colour on my charts. I'm always told how colourful my charts are. It's showing us some downside targets, 6,500 being the first, so down to about 6,500s, and then possibly even 6,400s, and so that's daily, with the first sort of decent daily rejection, daily candle being bearish, quite strong there. And yeah, if we look here as well on the 4 hour, testing previous structure, 6,580s, it needs to break the 6,580s. If it can break below 6,600 strokes 6,580s previous support, then that will be our entry to start shorting it, and we'll be looking, to get through this sort of demand zone, because you've got supply and demand at the moment in play. Break through that, break through the 200 4 hour EMA, and yeah, as I say, 6,500s and 6,400s potential decent downside moves on the New Zealand dollar.